topic. What is government? So, you think about the government, how that administrative in our countries. Suppose in your local areas, you can see the elections in local bodies like that in Panchayat Raj, or it may be village members or president. You can see there your parents or elders elect them and they ruled that places. So in this chapter we will discuss about the government and then what do the government do and how do they decide what do. Types of government in democracies or monarchies. Two types we can see the types of government and the levels of government. And also we know about the laws. What are the laws and what are the policy the government doing the administration in present days. So, every country, India, we know India is a vast country. So, in this big country, we ruled from the government because every country has need a government. Because to take any decision in their countries or they get the things done, there is one thing about they need the government. So in this way every country has a need government in their own ways. In comparing other countries, we have different types of government. In America and Japan or England, some are different their way. In ancient time and in present days, some are different are there. So, the government take action on many social issues. You can see in your textbook there are some quotations about the government. You daily when you see the newspaper, one there is a headline or more than other, you can see statements about the government. So like that, those are in your textbook given, those quotations. Supreme Court can have 5 more judges. Government said this one. And detailed plan to tackle foods soon, say the government. Over 5,000 villages declared scarcity hit by government. Then government fixes price of onions. Say no storage in a market. So these headlines you can see daily or regular in your newspaper. There are, we can find out some quotations they given about their own decisions. What decisions we take. The people knew about the administration in newspaper or other news channels or other new medias, news spread about the administration of countries. So the government take actions on many social issues because when we need the government, when we need a government administration, because they do work for the people, they take decisions, social issues, they are educational or food supplying, or it may be electrical power, or it may be water supplying, or whatever we need the basic facilities we get from the government. So we need, in this way we need the government. And maintaining peaceful relations. Why we need the government? It is also help to us because the government maintaining peaceful relations with other countries, other neighbor countries, like we faced today's China countries attack again and again our country's border, like that. So in that time we need the protection, because suddenly when they attack on our countries, the soldier protect to us in those borders, whatever it is, in Pakistan side or China side. Those are the helpful to activities doing their government throughout the soldier. They gave the jobs, and also the soldier protect to us from the enemies of other countries. Or we need the government if suppose the neighborhoods, we talk with them and we have good relations with there is, and also the government protect to good health facilities. Good health facilities. Now we can face the very dangerous, that is corona, COVID-19. The government take the decision and also purchasing the medicine and give the medicines to all over the Indias. They will give freely, and present day it is running, the process running. So in the critical conditions, suppose the people face like these problems, coronas, or then any other cholera or hepatitis or whatever it is, when they faced some health problems, the government take decisions and they try to give the good health facilities to people. So, and also it is help to us. Court are part of the government. Court. Suppose one person, he did the criminal activities in the state or local areas or in any part of the country. That time the government enter there. The police take to him their custodies, and they produce to the court, and then the court decisions and given the punishment, whatever, right or wrong. If suppose they do not doing the mistake, they leave him, but when he did the mistake, he give the punishment. Like these are suppose other court decisions, law and duties and conditions they held on the people, because we need the court. Why? So we need the discipline in our countries. Human beings live and work together, so they need government. When the human beings need together, in ancient time, the people live in a forest and then other bank of the river sometime. So, when the man get the knowledge, when he civilized, that time he wanted to, we made rules and regulations, law and policies, some policies throw on the people, leadership. We need the leadership. The people think in this way, they made the government, and so because human beings are living together, they needed to the government. Some rules have to be made that apply to everyone. When they choose their leader, that time the leader or other some leaders, they discussion and they doing some rules and policies, and the rules and policies, laws or policies apply to everyone, not to apply any one person, because we are Indians. In these countries, every people they apply including these rules and the levels. Next, what are the levels of government? What are the levels? We think about the levels of government in three types: in local level, and then state level, and then central level. Three types, three levels we can see the governments. We can see the two types of government: democracies and monarchies. Democracies means in this government, the people, all the people, they elected their leader by the election. But in monarchies, it is different from the democracies, because monarchies like that in even today's the continue England government inherited. There is a natural heir came to the next leader, or we call that a queen or king. They ruled in their state. These are the two types of government. So, government maintains. When we need the government, that time they doing more work. Those are the government maintains peace and war, because they protection to the people from foreign countries, and they protect us from the enemies, and then provides water and electricity facilities to common people, even in villages or towns. Then builds the roads, canals, dams, schools, everything. The civilization means the man, they fulfill the basic needs. Basic needs means food, water and living facilities call that basic need? Because illiterate people, they don't know anything about their property or other things. They don't get the knowledge. But some fields only don't we call illiterate not get the knowledge, because in some ways they have also knowledge about in their fields. Farmers they have own knowledge there in fielding, the cultivate the crops, how it is. So we need the basic needs also nowadays, educational facilities. So then government provides transport facilities, whatever it may be, in state level and the out of country. We transport our materials to other countries. That time